Let's go to Jeri in Orlando. Jeri, you're on News Talk WDBO. Go ahead.
Yes, I had a arm lift that was done right after having weight loss, and it was advertised as being the invisible arm lift.
All right.
After having it done, it turned out that 3 times I had to go back in because it kept opening, and then on the one arm, it opened all the way to where you could actually almost see down to the bone. It was really bad. And I wound up going to another doctor to have that fixed, even though he said he would do a skin graft and do it himself. Having gone 3 times to have surgery.
Right. So, Jeri, I understand. And first of all, let me say I'm so sorry for what you've been through. I'm sure it's awful and traumatic for you. Just out of curiosity, when they say invisible skin lift, do they mean that they closed it without using sutures? They might have glued it together and the glue failed?
Actually, he stitched it, but when they said invisible arm lift, normally there's arm lift where it's from the elbow all the way up the inside of the arm, but this is done actually under the arm in the arm.
Well, Jeri, again, I am not a medical malpractice attorney. So, with that said, here's the dealio. Every medical procedure contains an element of risk.
Right.
And you may, 1 in 1,000 may go wrong. You may be that 1 in 1,000, and that is not medical malpractice. That is the risk that you take when you have a procedure done. So what would happen is that you would speak to a medical malpractice attorney who is familiar with these procedures, with the risk involved, and he would be the one to tell you whether some kind of medical malpractice has been committed and whether or not you have a case worth pursuing. Now, Jeri, if you want me to put you in touch with a medical malpractice attorney, then you are welcome to email me, and I will do so.